Plaster, the official pain reliever. Molten, the official ball. At air, dilapad mula nung nag-umpisa sa showbiz. Bong Navarro. Fast break, 3-on-2. Shovels a pass over to Eric Fructoso, who's called for traveling. Willie Revillamer, Richard Gomez.
Puntos itong Tide White.
Jong Hilario trying to muscle his way. Hilario at mid-court, moving in. Missed the layup. Nakaharang si Emil Sandoval sa kanya. And Hilario hooks that one in for Fernandez. Oh, di ba hindi mo siya naglaro kanina sa junior? Okay. Senior na nga siya.
Piling hanggang
18 ba?
18 hanggang 20 pwede ka
Hanggang
maglagay
20.
Normally 15 ang nilalagay nila sa lineup.
Bong Navarro almost traveled there after receiving the inbound. He is fouled by fellow street boy Jong Hilario. Pinasa sa gilid, Jong Hilario moving in, missing. Jong Hilario, harang ni Jingwell Stevens for the foul. Binigay kay Hilario dun sa malayo. Hilario moving inside and there's a foul.
Foul given up by Bong Navarro.
Second by Hilario. Finally,
Yes, and Lauron.
Iliana penetrating. Binigay kay Jong Hilario who is fouled.
Kakampi ni Jong sa buong laro.
Sa Snaku Green at the moment. And we're coming close to the final 2 minutes of this game. Swak yung pangalawa.
Naku Green.
And Jong Hilario tries to answer with the reverse.
Quickly, 8 puntos na kalamangan ng Naku Green.
Jong Hilario moving inside, missing the shot. Okay siya. Pat Salim na buhay. Wala po, 3 seconds na lang. Or maybe just one more. Oh, di ba? Magka-cartwheel pa si Bong Navarro mamaya dyan. Tsaka si Jong.